back to another episode of Learn to Play Marimba with me, Amy Stewart McIntosh, here in the Kutsinhira studios in Boulder, Colorado. Today we're working on a song called Wandibaya, Moyo. In our last episode, we learned the Kutsinhira part, which can be played by the first soprano and the first tenor in octaves. What we're going to do is we're going to slip a Kutsinhira part right in between those two octaves that will interlock with both of them in a really beautiful way. The fun thing about this part is it does not play on the first beat. So we have a step or a huh or a one, and let me demonstrate it for you.
A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1.
Break it down for you so you can find the notes as well. So we're in this range with the low end of our range being A and the high end of our range being D. What we're going to do is we're going to start down low on the A.
1 and 2. And that's 2 right, left on letter A, and then up with the right hand to letter D. So we've got 1 and 2 and So a little space after the D, and then again with the left hand on A. So that's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and
So our first notes were A to D. Now we're going to go A up to D, but come down and end on letter B for this second little mini phrase to complete the question. So we've got
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and For our answer, we're going to start on letter B, where we just finished. 1 and 2 and So up to letter D again with our right hand, coming back to letter B.
And then in the last little bit, we have a little embellishment where we fill in that first beat. So we actually do play on beat 3. So for the answer, we've got
1. So doubling up on the B and then using letter C and A to finish off the answer. So here's what the whole thing sounds like slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3 and 4 and
Great job. Let's grab our mallets and try it again together, just a tiny bit faster. This part becomes easier, I think, the faster the tempo is. Just remember you have to say huh or step on that first beat of the question, the third beat of the question, the first beat of the answer, and then the third beat of the answer, we fill it in on the letter B.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 1.
Great job today, guys. You also can double that part, the Kutsinhira, just like we did with the Kutsinhira. You can bring it down an octave. Sounds really beautiful down an octave in the tenor range as well. So if we bring it down an octave, here's what it sounds like in the tenor range. Starting on our low A and going up to D. 1 octave lower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. guys, thanks for joining us today for another episode of Learn to Play Marimba. That was the Kutsinhira part to Wandibaya, Moyo. I hope you enjoyed it and have fun trying to put those two parts together. Next time we'll learn the baritone, so stay tuned for another episode. Stay safe, guys.